Welcome. In front of me is a KIANO 6.1 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert some SD into the device. So starting off, let's lock it up so we don't click on anything, and from there you want to pop up the back cover of the device, which the place where you can start pulling it off is at the bottom right corner of the device. There we go. Carefully go around just so you don't actually break the cover. It's just plastic, so it's kind of flimsy. And from here, once you take it off, you will see you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place SIM card on either side. It doesn't really matter which side you choose. And then also your SD, and slide it. And from here, as you can see, there's the pin for the SIM card, so let me insert it, and as you can see, it's working. Also, for annoying reasons, it changes, just like Huawei, the language to the language of this SIM card. So you can see that right now it's completely different than it was just a second ago. So quickly, let's change it back to English. So if, as well, for instance, you're right now stuck with a language that you might not understand, you can follow this. So start off by going into the settings, which you can quickly get it through notification panel and this gear icon right there. Go all the way down to the information system right here. So you have that gray icon with an eye in a circle. Then you will have the advanced at the bottom. So the last option, it will expand the list. And actually it was on the top, so my bad. So you will see the globe icon right over here. Tap on that, and right at the top you have the language. Also there's an icon right behind that sticker, with just a symbol of like 2 different languages. So you have the normal A, and then some different letter from, I guess, Korean, Chinese language, I'm not exactly sure. So once you tap on it, you'll have the plus symbol right here. You can tap on it, and from here select the language that you wish to use. So I'm gonna go back to English, and then drag it on top by grabbing it on the side right here. And there we go, it automatically changed. So there we go, we're back in English. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.